So add another cube and then add the subdivision surface modifier. Then move it upwards and then add the mirror modifier. And then apply the subdivision surface modifier and then add another modifier. And also delete these vertices. So move this cube over here and then move it there and then move this here. Or we can just delete it and then extrude it downwards. Also make sure to clip it like this. Also, we can select this part and then move it here. And then select all of these vertices, and after that we can disable the clipping and then extrude this here, and then we can circle this like this. So now extrude this over here. Like this. Like this. Now we can start by doing the back spikes. This and then select these faces and then loop those, then circle it and then move it like that. And then extrude it out. And now we can do the tail. So now we can select these faces. Wait a minute. And now we can extrude these faces out. And after we do that, we can move this like this over here. And now we can do the arms. So add this a cylinder and I scale it down and then move it here, then rotate it 90 degrees, and for now you can move the head up and then move it and then scale it at the x-axis like this, and then also add a mirror modifier and set it here. Like this. Now add the subdivision surface modifier and then shift E1 on both of these sides and then insert it, and we don't need the subdivision surface and we don't need the edge crease. So we are not going to do the metal hand here, we are just going to do the gloves. So add another cylinder and then rotate it 90 degrees and then move it here like this and then move it here, then add a mirror modifier, then add the subdivision surface modifier, shade it smooth, then add here, here and here a cut, then select these faces and then select this edge, scale shift and then scale shift X like this and then select these edges, then bevel them. Then select this face, insert it over here, then extrude at the x-axis.